निवर्तयामास ततो भरतं भरताग्रजः सकामम् अनवाप्यैव रामपादाव उपस्पृशन्। निवर्तयामास ततः becomes tato because of sandhi. Bharatam bhas mahapranah. Bharata agrajah. Bharatagrajah is a compound word. Bhas mahapranah. Saha, the visarga is dropped because of sandhi. Kamam anavapya. Kamam anavapya. Eva anavapyaiva. So the phrase becomes Kamam anavapyaiva because of sandhi. Ramapadau is a compound word. Upasprishan. Ramapadav upasprishan because of sandhi. Nivartayamasa tato bharatam bharatagrajaha sakamanavapyaiva ramapadav upasprishan. Nandigrame karodrajyam Ramagamanakankshaya Gate tu Bharate Shriman Satyasandho Jitendriyah. Nandigrame is a compound word. Akarot. Nandigrame karot because of sandhi. Akarot. The t changes to d because of sandhi. Rajyam. So it becomes Nandigrame karodrajyam because of sandhi. Rama agamana kankshaya. Ramagamana kankshaya is a compound word. Gate tu bharate bhas mahapranah. Shriman satyasandha is a compound word. Dhas mahapranah. It becomes satyasandho because of sandhi. Jita indriyah. Jitendriyah is a compound word. Nandigrame karodrajyam Ramagamanakankshaya Gate tu bharate Shriman Satyasandho Jitendriyah. Ramastu punaralakshya Nagarasya Janasya cha Tatragamanamekagro Dandakan Pravivesha ha. Ramaha, visarga changes to s, there, tu. Ramastu, because of sandhi. Punaha, visarga changes to repha or r. Alakshya, punaralakshya, because of sandhi. Nagarasya, janasya, cha. Tatra, agamanam, tatragamanam, because of sandhi. Ekagraha is a compound word. Tatragamanam ekagraha. Because agamanam ends in m and ekagraha starts with a vowel which is a, so it becomes me. Now ekagraha becomes ekagro because of sandhi. So the phrase becomes tatragamanam ekagro because of sandhi. Dandakan pravivesha ha. Ramastu punaralakshya nagarasya janasya cha Tatragamanamekagro dandakan praviveshaha. Pravishyatu maharanyam Ramo Rajivalochanaha Viradham Rakshasam Hatva Sharabhangan Dadarshaha. Pravishyatu maharanyam. Maharanyam is a compound word. Ramaha becomes Ramo because of sandhi. Rajiva Lochanaha is a compound word. Viradham dhamaha pranaha. Rakshasam hatva. Sharabhangam is a compound word. Bhas mahapranaha. Dadarsha. Now Sharabhangam ends in Anuswara followed by da. Dadarsha. So the Anuswara changes to n, which is the nasal of the Tavarga. Sharabhangan Dadarsha because of sandhi. Ha. Pravishyatu maharanyam Ramo Rajivalochanaha Viradham Rakshasam Hatva Sharabhangan Dadarshaha. Sutikšnanchapyagastyancha अगस्त्यभ्रातरं तथा अगस्त्यवचनाच्चैव जग्राहैन्द्रं शरासनम्. Sutikšnam is a compound word. Cha. Sutikšnam ends in anuswara followed by cha. So it becomes Sutikshnancha. Anuswara changes to nya. Api. Chapi because of sandhi. Agastyam is a compound word. Chapyagastyam because of sandhi. Cha. Now Agastyam ends in anuswara followed by cha. So it becomes Agastyancha because of sandhi. Agastya Bhrataram is a compound word. Bhas Mahapranah. Tatha, second Thas Mahapranah. Agastya Bhrataram ends in anuswara followed by ta. So it becomes Agastya Bhrataran Tatha because of sandhi. Agastya Vachanat is a compound word. Cha. So the t in the end of the word changes to ch because of sandhi. So it becomes Agastya Vachanat cha because of sandhi. Eva, Chaiva because of sandhi. So the phrase becomes Agastya Vachanat Chaiva. Jagraha Aindram. Jagrahaindram because of sandhi. Sharasanam is a compound word. Sharasanam, Sharasanam. Sutikšnanchapyagastyancha Agastya Bhrataram tatha अगस्त्यवचनाच्चैव जग्राहैन्द्रं शरासनम्.